So now we're going to do your squat variation. You can either do the high bar or the low bar if you'd like. I'd suggest starting off with the high bar, but it's all the same principles. The two fundamentals are midfoot pressure, and you can find that by rocking between your heels and your toes, find directly in the middle. We want to maintain that the entire way down and up. And then the second one is your brace via ribcage and pelvis position. If you haven't watched the brace video, it is pinned in the form channel. If those things are there, then you're going to have a great squat. There's just other little cues such as stance width that will just allow everything to happen better. For instance, I'm a good example of someone a little bit taller, lankier, longer femur. It's very hard for me to squat with my feet like this. That's as far as I can go really. So naturally, it's just better for me to widen my stance up. That's as much as you need to think about it. There's no perfect stance. I would very much suggest going slow at the start because it gives you a lot more time to figure out whether you're too much on your toes or too back onto your heels. The most common problem with the squat is you will be told to keep your chest up and your bum out as you go down. You can just see that it's awkward, and that's pretty much as low as I can go. This is where the brace is going to help you. It's going to give your femurs a little bit more room to sink down than this. And if you let your chest face the ground, you'll be able to sink your ribcage down and actually hinge as you squat. Super strong spot down there. So if you have this problem, the thing that helps people the most is to round over and then look at the ground and let your chest face the ground.